Hi, today we will learn about the different number systems in maths. Okay, the first number system is called as natural numbers. Natural numbers. This system of numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and goes endlessly. So the first number system is natural numbers. It starts from 1 and goes endlessly. The second system of numbers is whole numbers. Whole numbers. This system of numbers starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes endlessly. So the second system of numbers is called as whole numbers. It starts from 0 and goes endlessly. The third system of numbers is called as integers. Integers are the numbers that we see on the number line. In the middle we have got 0. On the right side we have got +1, +2, +3, +4. On the left side we have got -1, -2, -3 and so on. So the third system of numbers is called as integers. They are the numbers found on the number line. Here in the middle we have got the 0. On the right side we have got +1, 2, 3. It goes endlessly towards right side, and also on the left side we have got -1, -2, -3. It also goes endlessly towards left. Okay, on the right side we have got the positive integers. Positive integers. On the left side we have got negative integers. Negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative, it is neutral. Okay, now we'll go to the third system of numbers. The third system of numbers is called as rational numbers. Rational numbers. They are nothing but fractions. The numbers that can be written in the form of p by q are called as rational numbers. For example, 2 by 7, 3 by 11, 5 by 9, etc. They are called as rational numbers. The fifth system of numbers is called as irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. These are numbers like √2, √3, √5, etc. √2, √3, √5, etc. So the fifth system of numbers is called as irrational numbers, such as root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. These are called irrational numbers because they can't be written in P by Q form. They are called as irrational numbers. Now coming to the sixth system of numbers. This is the last system of numbers is called as real numbers. Real numbers. So the rational numbers and irrational numbers put together forms the real numbers. So real numbers include rational numbers plus irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. So the sixth system of numbers is called as real numbers. This real numbers includes rational and irrational put together forms the real numbers. Now we can see here all natural numbers can be called as whole numbers because all these numbers, all the natural numbers come under whole numbers also. So all natural numbers can be called as whole numbers, but all whole numbers can't be called as natural numbers because 0 is not a natural number. So all whole numbers can't be called as natural numbers. Now, see, all natural numbers can be called as integers because all these numbers come under integers. So we can call all natural numbers as integers, and all whole numbers also can be called as integers. But all integers can't be called as whole numbers or natural numbers because there are negative integers which are not whole number nor natural numbers. So all integers can't be called as whole numbers or natural numbers, but all natural numbers and whole numbers can be called as integers. Now coming to the rational numbers. See, we can write all the integers in the form of rational numbers. For example, if I take minus 2, I can write minus 2 as minus 2 by 1. I can write all the integers in P by Q form. For example, see, if I take 1, I can write 1 as 1 by 1. If I take 4, I can write 4 as 4 by 1. If I take minus 3, I can write it as minus 3 by 1. So all integers can be written in the form of P by Q form. So all integers can be called as rational numbers, but all rational numbers can't be called as integers. Okay. Now coming to the irrational. Irrational numbers is completely a different group of numbers. Real numbers includes rational and irrational. So these are the different number systems in maths. If you are happy with this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.